Hey guys, this is Avani Modi and right now I'm behind the stage of the great GIFA Award, Gujarat Iconic Film Awards. And tonight, first time, I'm performing as well for the GIFA Awards. And I'm super excited because my film Carry On Case has been nominated in 13 categories. So looking forward for that, including me. And here is a beautiful lady, Amisha, the owner of Avas Cosmetics, which I use personally and I'm totally in love with that product. All her eyeshadows and lipsticks and glitter especially, they're amazing, so they make me feel like a superstar.
Thank you.
So, yes, looking forward, and now I want Amisha you to say something about GIFA and me.
Avani ji, I have heard a lot about you. We watched your that Calendar Girl movie and we were all excited.
Thank you.
And your movie, which is nominated
Carry
for
On Case.
Carry On Case.
Yes.
And I really like that movie.
And she already told me that she has voted for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have
so
to.
her vote goes
She's
to
my special.
Yes. Anyways, yeah.
Thank you, Avani. And you know, Avani comes to America all the time, and
Really?
we always wait for her.
Thank you.
She is very favorite in America too.
Thanks a lot. Looking forward to see you in America as well.
Thank you.
Cool. See you soon, guys. Thank you.